Hey, what is up, you guys? It is your girl Maya, and I am back with another video. Finally. I do apologize that I have not been posting lately, and I know I say this a lot in almost every video that I post, but trust and believe that it is genuine. I do really apologize that I have not been posting. I do try to post, but my life is like, it's crazy. Like, sometimes I'm just like, not even gonna lie to you guys, sometimes I just really don't feel like posting, and it's crazy that I always apologize about it, but I can, and I just don't. I don't know why I don't, but I just don't. But I am really, it's a struggle, and I'm really trying to learn how to like stay active and motivate myself to do this, you know? But with that being said, today's video is a little bit different today. I say this because your girl has just become a certified lash technician. Do you hear me? A certified lash tech. And today, I can pretty sure you could tell by the video that I'm going to do a lash room tour. Not by the video, but by the title. Sorry, I said that wrong. But by the title, I'm going to be doing a lash room tour, and I hope you guys do enjoy it. I'm just starting out. If you guys have any questions on where I got stuff, I'm gonna try to name where I got stuff while I'm showing you guys, but if I do forget to name something, please comment it below and let me know, like, any questions that you guys have. I'll be happy to answer any questions. But like I was saying as well, I am a beginning lash tech. I just began like a month ago, literally just 1 month, and I'm just trying to grow my clientele at the moment and perfect my craft. So with that being said as well, my lash room is not going to be the best. I just started. I'm not rich. I don't have money like that to be just ordering stuff and all that. Like, I was on a budget. So, yeah. With that being said, let's get into this damn video, y'all. I'm happy about it. Like, so I feel like we should start from the front door. Okay, that's just a bag of trash because I was cleaning up on the door, so ignore that. So this is the front door of my house, and this is my living room. It's a little messy right now, so please disregard it. I don't have any clients, so I didn't mind cleaning right now. I was making my friend a wig, because that's why this is here. So that's my room, and this is the living room. So my client will walk through this door and walk straight to this area here. This was my dining room, but I rearranged it to be my lash room because I do lash from home. So yeah, so once you come here, this was a fish tank that we had, though we never put any fishes in it yet, because my old house we have fishes, but we haven't got any. So I put a tablecloth over this just to give it more of a nice homey feel, because it was just an big empty fish tank, and it's like, what's the point? So I got this tablecloth from the Dollar Tree, and I put some fake leaves on it because I felt like every room needs some type of green in its life, you know? And so, yeah, I put that over it just to give it like a nice look. Here I got this M. I felt like it was just really cute. So I got this M for like my name. It's my Alicia, for you guys that did not know. But yeah, so I got that on top of there just to give it like a cute look. Here's where I clean my tweezers. In here, it's barbicide, and where I clean my tweezers. And here's my, excuse my dogs, and here's my lash travel box when I do traveling clients. And then that's behind this area here is my living room, which I showed you guys before. And what I do, I just close off that area in case my boyfriend wants to walk out or anybody needs to be in that area. I try to get people not to be over there because I don't want them talking and my clients be sleeping, you know? So I really block it off so that way they feel confidential and they don't feel like people are walking all around them. And this door is always closed during my sessions, and that door is always closed during my sessions. I made this little backdrop for when I take pictures of my clients. I hardly use it, but when I do use it, it's a cute backdrop just to take pictures of my clients and whatnot. And I'm gonna move my cart. Okay. All right, so yeah, that's that there. I did that just to cover the fish tank because it looked like, what's the point? And that's my, what's this called? Whatever it's called. But yeah, to block off the living room. And then here is my lash bed. It is very soft. It has memory foam underneath so that my clients are comfortable. I was thinking about getting a lash pillow, but I'm not sure because this works for me, and you know, why fix something that's not broken? Here's my lash stool that I use while lashing. Here's a lash cover that I use. I got this from Amazon. I got the rug from Amazon. It's like, it's usually fuzzy, but I vacuumed it and cleaned it. So, yeah, I got a little dirt spot because my clients be stepping on it, you know, with their shoes and whatnot. But, here I have a few drawers with all, like, different lash needs that I have. My consent forms are here for my clients. You know, keep my Lysol on deck to disinfect everything that I need to disinfect. And I have more smell good, smell Lysol. And I have Raid because I be having flies come in when, like, my clients come in. For some reason, a fly will get in here. And I hate when flies are, like, in my house. So I use the Raid for that. No, I don't have, like, roaches and stuff, y'all. It's just for flies. Here is a candy bowl for my clients that I do need to refill. I have my appointment book there, pens for them to sign their consent forms. And I will usually put the chair next to there, for them to sit down and fill that out. Here I have also my cards. If it will focus. Yep. Here's my cards. You guys can follow me on Instagram if you're in the LA area. And here's a better view of my lash bed. And here's my cart. Right now it's pretty messy. I was organizing it. It is most definitely backwards. But yeah, here's my cart. Here's a little trash bag that I use to, like, throw items away. I'm gonna change it right now. I set a little candle in the window to give the room a good smell. And like I told you guys, I'm not rich, so this is just a little something so that way my clients are comfortable and feel comfortable. Here's a cute little mirror. Don't mind my clothes because I know I look a hot mess, but it's not about me right now. It's about my lash room, and we're not talking about me. Okay. Make sure, I'm finna be on a weight loss journey, y'all, so make sure you guys do subscribe to my weight loss channel. I'll leave a link to it down below, and we're gonna lose this weight, y'all. But yeah, usually I'll have my blinds kind of down like such, but I just did it so the light can come in. My ring light I've been had because I am a YouTuber, so most YouTubers already have a ring light. So I use my same ring light that I used for all my vlogs and videos. I didn't buy another ring light. Like I said, I am not rich and I'm not finna spend money that I don't need to spend. So here's like a quick overview of the room. I'm gonna start from this door in the corner. So yeah. Once I get more money to add more things in here, I will, but as of now, I don't have it. So yeah, that little thing on the carpet is for the massage table, like when you're giving actual massages, but I don't do that, and it just fell, so yeah. If you guys would like a tour an in-depth tour on exactly what's on my lash bed and how it looks so good and so comfortable, leave a comment below letting me know. And if you guys want a detailed tour of my lash cart, what's on my lash cart, leave a comment below and I'll give you guys that as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. But yep, this is my room. It's a work in progress, but as of now, it works for me, and that's all that matters, and my clients. All right, love you guys. Bye.